I'm in Green Bay at Lambeau Field, and it got me thinking about investments. The folks here in Green Bay, they invested in their team. They wanted to make sure this dynasty never left Green Bay. And I think HID and Mercury, we're doing some really similar things. Maybe completely opposite, but similar. HID is investing, Mercury is investing. We're investing in people, we're investing in products, we're investing in our partners. We want customers to have the best solution. We're doing so much. Our leadership is so different than really any other company that I've ever worked for, and they are putting their money where their mouth is. We recently visited alarm.com to see how our customers are using our solutions. We wanted to see how they're integrating with Mercury, how their partners and dealers are installing it, and what troubles they have. We talked with product marketing.
We're really excited to be here today with alarm.com. They have been training us on how they use our products and how they train their dealers to use products. And it's really great to see how our products are used in the real world and by our customers.
Product management was there as well to learn how the product could be developed better or different.
Here we're trying to understand what our partners' customers see as far as how their systems operate with our access control panels, but also with the variety of other devices that alarm.com integrates.
Shot detected.
And the outcome we're really driving towards is understanding better what we can do in our offering for our partner alarm.com. How can we make our products better? How can we make them easier to use so that they in turn can create their systems to be easier for their partners to use?
Sales engineering was there.
External or hands-on training like this is extremely beneficial for not just the sales engineering, right? I think for pretty much everyone in the company, so that we can kind of see and practice and actually touch what we are building. You know, from the sales engineering perspective, right? We talk to customers a lot about how things work, but this is the time that we can actually see that in practice. And however you want to call it, eat your own dog food or drink your own champagne.
We even had trainers learning how they can better train on the solution.
I got a chance to see the software from the installer side and from the end user side. On the installer side, I could see what it takes to configure the system and get it set up correctly. And from the end user side, I got to see what it's like to add users and plans and scenes and those sort of things.
It's been great to learn the Mercury hardware and how our customers are deploying it in the field. Seeing the tips and tricks and getting hands-on with the equipment's been really beneficial and be able to better support our customers.
We've also invested so heavily in our internal teams, and that's to help you. Our end user team, they have grown so much, and the cool thing about the end user team is they know your space. They know the unique challenges that you face every single day. So whether you're in the critical infrastructure space, protecting oil and gas or data centers, or you're in the financial space or FedGov, or the education, whether it be higher education or K-12, maybe it's manufacturing, it's transportation, the list goes on and on. We have people dedicated to help you with all HID and Mercury solutions. So if you don't know your direct end user rep, you should reach out because they act like a consultant for you. They share best practices and they just guide you through this process. Look, I am so grateful working for Mercury and HID. They invest so much in us. They invest so much in our products. They listen to our customers and they're continuously striving to make the solutions better and to solve new challenges. So thank you for being an amazing customer. Thank you, HID leadership, for being great leaders. And that's the Mercury Minute. Stay open and stay secure, my friends. See you all next time.